today's video, you are going to learn about addition and subtraction. So, first of all, what does addition mean? Addition is basically you have two objects, you put them together, so then you have the result. For example, if you have two apples and I give you one apple, you count them, so you see that you have three apples now. And also the same thing for the subtraction. If you have an object, then I take this object, so you have zero of this object. So this is the main idea, and we are going to see other exercises. Before jumping into the course, if you have a number without any sign, so that means it is positive. We have a plus here, logically, but we don't write it. 5, we have 5. We don't say plus 5, no, we always say 5. For example, you say the temperature is 5. So I understand that it is 5, it's not minus 5. If you say it is minus 5, then I understand that it is negative. So always keep it in mind. If we have no any signs, that means it is positive. Here you might say, okay, here it is positive and also here it is positive. Why do we put a plus for 8 and we don't put the plus for 1? So it's only for the first number. The first number, if it is positive, we don't write. The rest of numbers, it doesn't matter if it is positive or negative, you always write this sign. So you can check these examples. So let's see some examples. In addition and subtraction of numbers with different signs, the rule is very simple. The result takes the sign of the largest number. Okay, so let's see an example. Here we have 2 plus 1. So both have the same sign. So what we do, as I told you, we don't write plus, we just write 3. Why? Because it is plus, so it is positive. We don't need to put any sign. If we have 3 plus 1, also the same thing. Imagine you have 3 apples and I give you 1, so you have 4, and so on, so on. For the subtraction, it's also the same idea. Imagine you have 2 apples and I take 1 apple from you, then you have 1 apple. Also the same idea. Let's continue. So what about the position if you change it? In the previous example, we had 2 plus 1, now we have 1 plus 2. So basically it doesn't change, never. For the addition, if you have 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 500 plus 10, 10 plus 500, it's the same result. For subtraction, it changes. We have 1 minus 2. So as I told you here, the result takes the sign of the larger number. Here, what is the larger number? 1 or 2? Forget the minus. It is 2. Okay, so we have 2. We have the minus, so it is the sign of the largest number. Then what we do is to make the subtraction of largest number from the smallest number. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, it is 1, as we saw. And don't forget this sign here. So we get minus 1. Okay, if you didn't understand, you will understand. Here we have 1 minus 3. So what's the sign of the largest number? It is 3 here, the minus 3. Okay, so we take the minus, then we make the addition, the subtraction of the biggest number or largest number, 3 minus 1. Okay, so we take the sign and then we make the subtraction. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 2, and so on, so on. Okay, let's see another one. So what if we have big numbers like this, and then we make the addition? 4 plus 4, 8, and 3 plus 1, 4. So the result is 48. So again, for the addition, it doesn't matter if you have 14 here or 14 here, but for the subtraction, if you have 14 there like this, so if you write it like this, 14 minus 34, you will have another result. It will not be the same. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 2, sorry, 3 minus 1 is 2, so the result is 20. Let's see another one. So we have 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So we can't write just 12 like this. No, it's wrong. We write 2 here and 1 here. So then we make the addition of 9 plus 2. It is 11. 11 plus 1, this one here, 12. So because here we have no any more numbers, we have to write all the result. So is 122. Here we have subtraction. 7 minus 8. Actually, it doesn't work. So what we should do is to take 1 from the 8. Here we have no anymore 8. We have 7. Here we have 17. So 17 minus 8, it is 9. Then 7 minus 6, it's 1. So result, it's 19. Okay, here we have very big number. Even if you try to do it in your head, it will be quite difficult. So we write it in this form. 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 3, 9, 5 plus 3, 8, 9 plus 6, it gives us big number, 15. So we write 5 here and 1 here. Okay, then 3 plus 4 plus 1, 8. So next one, have to make the subtraction. So don't forget always we have this number right here and the other one right down. You can't change their position. Here you can, but here not. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 doesn't work. So what we are going to do is to take 1 from 4. We have 3. Then we will have 13. 13 minus 9, it works. 4. 3 minus 8 doesn't work. So take 1 from 8. Here we have 7. Here we have 13. 13 minus 8, 5. Here we have 7, as I told you, because we took 1 from 8. So we have 7. 7 minus 7, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. 1 minus 1, it's 0. You're not obliged to write it, because 0, always, if you have 0 on left, it doesn't count. So we have result here. One more. What if digits are not the same? Like here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Here we have only 3 digits. It's also simple. You see, the one with the most digits, we write it up, and the one with the smallest digits, we write it down. Okay, then so let's make the addition. We have 2 plus 8 is 10. So we write 0 here and 1 here. Okay, then we have to make the addition of these 3 numbers. 9 plus 7 plus 1, we have 17. So we add 7 here and 1 here. Actually, I want to explain something about this. So when do you know if you have to write 7 or 1, 0, 1? you have 17, so we write it like this. So you take always the first number here. Here we have 10. Okay, so you keep the 0 here and you take 1, put it here. Okay, if you had 28, so 28, so 8 you keep it, and 2 you put it there. Okay, this is the rule. Next, we have 1 plus 8 plus 4 to give us 13. So 3, you see, 13. We keep 3 here and we put 1 there. 1 plus 3, 4. Next, so 1 minus 4 doesn't work. Take 1 from here. We have 7. Here we have 11. 11 minus 4, it works. So 4. 7 minus 6. Have 1. 3 minus 5 doesn't work. So we take 1 from here. We have 5. Here we have 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Here we have 5. Because here, if you have no any number, so you can just put 0. And 4 minus 0 is also 4. So thank you for watching, and hope that you have understood everything. If not, tell me in the comment. See you in next video.